Hi guys, Derek here. So got this today. I've decided to jump on the bandwagon. It's the Bambu P1P, and I'm just going to unbox it for now. Just get it out, just make sure all the parts are there, and then I will do some other videos with me setting it up and hopefully doing the first print. So let's see what we've got in here. It was ordered last week on Tuesday, and it's only just shown up today. They have a deal on at the moment where it is currently it's £130 cheaper than what it normally is. So yeah, so obviously it says on here on top of the box, it says scan to watch the unboxing tutorial. I've seen many, so I'm just going to open it up. So obviously in the box I've got these side panels that I need to take off packaging, some more packaging, and this is obviously how you would lift it out. So let me just move this to one side, put this away. Out. And down like so. In the box there is nothing else, it's just packaging material. Okay. On top you get the quick start guide. So in here is another box, hopefully with all the other parts that needs to come with. So in here should have filament, spare nozzle, the screen to go on the front, Bowden tube, cleaning and Allen keys. Okay, so in the box here we have the screen to go on the front, nothing else there, just packaging. We have 1 kilo of Bambu PLA basic in green, which is quite nice. We have the power cable, which is for the UK, Bowden tube, Allen keys and a nozzle cleaner, the spool holder, which obviously I will be adjusting. We have the safety guide, and in here we have the other parts for the hot end, the PTFE tube anchor, some spare nozzle cleaning bits when it wipes the head, We have a spare bamboo heater nozzle, which is really good. What else we got in here? We got some thermal grease. We have some, it says for printed phone holder with a load of M tape. In here we have the spool holder, the extruder, the scraper, for DIY shell. We also have in here some more lube grease, which obviously we will see if I'm going to need it in there. I do not know. Bambu Labs, some sort of lubricated stick thing. Let's have a look. So, yeah. So I'm guessing this is like Maggi goo that you can get that will help it stick to the bed if needed. Other than that, that is the unboxing of all the parts. I will then get it set up and I will turn on and I will video that for you. Okay, thank you. See you later. Bye.